So, today we are going to learn about our helpers. Do you know who help us in doing a daily task, who help us in our daily life? The doctors, the teachers. The doctors treat us when we fall ill. The teacher teaches us. And there are many helpers like postmen, milkmen, and many others. So here, in this chapter, we are going to study about the our helpers. There are many helpers, postmen, watchmen, cobbler, and many others. So let's study about their hard work. So let's begin with this lesson. Here in this chapter first, we are going to study about our helpers. Then we are going to study about some other helpers. There are some other helpers. So here, he is a courier man. He has brought a parcel. The man is saying he is a courier man. He has brought our parcels. He is our helper because he is bringing courier and our parcel for us. He helps us to bring our things from other places. Yes, he brings the things, he brings our couriers, he brings our things from different places of the world. So here the girl is saying that who is that person at the door? Why has he come here? So the dad answers like this to her that he is the courier man. He has bring the parcel for us from different places. Now let's move to the next page. Here, who are our helpers? Our helpers. So here, there are so many people who help us and make our life easy. Yes, there are so many people like policemen, nurse, farmer. Farmer grows crop for us. Policemen take care of law and order. The nurse help us in taking care of us. So, what does they help? They help us. They make our life easy from hard. So such people are our helpers. These people do different kinds of work to earn money. These people earn money from doing different kinds of work. Let us meet some of our helpers, like our farmer. He grows crop for us, the food that we eat. He grows that food for us. So, a policeman maintains law and order in our society. Policemen take care that there should be no thief, there should be the law and order is maintained in the society. Then there is another helper, a nurse. She looks after patients and hospitals. She take care of our patients. Next is the gardener. He takes care of our garden. A gardener takes care of our garden. He waters the plant. He grows crop. So next is a cobbler. He repairs our shoes. A cobbler repairs shoes. Then is a tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. He stitches our clothes in different types. The clothes that we wear are stitched by the tailor. He is a helper. Next, some other helpers. There are some other kinds of helpers like carpenter, barber, and postman. So what does carpenter do? A carpenter makes furniture, the bed on which you sleep, the table on which you study, the chair on which you sit are made by the carpenter. And what does barber do? A barber cuts our hair from which we look good. Then what does a postman do? A postman delivers letters and parcels to our home or to our loved ones. Then here are some other helpers like soldier. What do soldiers do? Soldiers take care of our security. They guards the country. A soldier guards the country. They saves us from terrorists. A teacher. What does a teacher do? A teacher teaches us. She teaches us our lessons. She teaches us the good habits. And what does a doctor do? A doctor treats the sick. He treats the sick person by giving medicine and by taking proper care. Now let's move to the next page. Here you have to check your knowledge, what you have learned till here. Here's the first question. Help us when our house catches fire. To whom we call when our house catches fire? Tell me the correct answer from this doctor, firefighter, or policeman. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, we call firefighter when our house catches fire. So now let's move to our next. Here is the next question. Who takes care of our teeth? Who takes care? Teacher, dentist, or driver? Yes, dentists take care of our teeth. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all learned about the helpers, the people who help us in making our hard work easy, the thing that we cannot do, the helpers do for us. So that's all for this lesson. We should respect our helpers so much. See you in the next class.